Hello YouTube. I'm back again. I just wanted to talk about discrimination in the world gone wild, shit hit the fan situation. Discrimination, will lead to bullying, basically. You have city people versus country people, old people versus young people. You got Muslims versus Christians and Hebrews, and men versus women, north versus south, east versus west, healthy versus handicapped, and then you got black versus white, Hispanics and Orientals, and all these different groups of basically discriminating against each other. I mean, it's not the way we will be able to rebuild in a shit hit the fan situation, even before, even after. We must let these differences go. We can't live by emotions. I mean, your emotions will divide you. You know, so we have to be people, plain people, and we got to get together in order for us to rebuild. Because if you get all these differences just because of different origins, religions, and abilities, and sex and gender and all that stuff, I mean, if he's gay, he's gay. If she's gay, she gay. If you fat, he fat. If she's not fat, you fat. I mean, you just can't hold that against somebody. So what you're gonna have to do, you probably have to let that go. I mean, and for us to be able to rebuild, I mean, we can't rebuild the whole world, but we can rebuild our part of the world. In order for us to do that, we got to let that discriminatory behavior go. I mean, we will need everybody to survive because we're gonna have other problems with the marauders and the death squads. All right, thank you, YouTube.